Welcome back. This weekend I'm in the Lake District and I just wanted to bring you along with me. My aim for this weekend is to see some of the Witcher filming locations, hopefully see some jets flying over, maybe do a little bit of wild swimming, and just being in nature and having a really nice relaxing time. I didn't do an intro, so this is my intro, this voiceover, but thanks for being here and I hope you enjoy the video. Look at the rock. Everything's just so cool here. It's not really focusing very well, but it's just so nice here.
But that's, if you're going to spend a bit of money on it,
Oh my god, he's literally looking straight at us. That's so cute. It's got something on him, but I don't want to touch him really. This is where I am right now. Came from down there. It's really, really pretty. And then just through those trees current situation. Pretty high, but in a nice way. It's a little cloudy over there. Made it.
Long and a quarter of a mile wide. It's also shallow, with a maximum depth of 50.
Hello. I thought I would do like a bit of a check-in, I guess. I literally haven't spoken in any of the videos that I have recorded, I don't think. And I haven't filmed myself. I'm very, very tired. I've done a lot. I've been in the Lake District now for 3 days. It's been crazy in the best way, this trip. I've never done a solo trip before. Not where I've like stayed overnight somewhere. I take myself on days out, but I've never ever booked like a B&B for myself and just gone somewhere. I got here Monday. I got up at like 5:30. I kind of forgot that I got up that early, to be honest, because I did way too much on Monday. I obviously drove up here, which is like 3 hours. Checked in, got myself a sausage roll from the bakery. If you are in Ambleside, go to the Apple Pie Bakery. Do not sit in. My boyfriend and I sat in there once and we both had like a sausage roll and a coffee, and it cost me like £20. £20. Don't sit in. Get a takeaway. Takeaway is a normal price. My sausage roll was £3.60 this time. Just a pre-warning. It's worth it, but it's not worth £20. But yeah, I did that, and then I just put it in my backpack, and I was carrying this sausage roll all the way to Rydal. I went to the cave. My mission this trip has been to find the Witcher locations and do some wild swimming. Both were achieved, which I'm very proud of. Wild swimming was actually better than I was expecting, because I was just going to go to Buckstone's Jump, which is like a tiny pool at the back of Rydal, but I ended up going in Rydal Water, which is like a whole fucking lake. I find it really easy to talk myself out of things when I'm alone. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, I went to Rydal Cave, sat in the cave and ate my sausage roll. That was a good time. On the way back, I went for my wild swim. Literally just got changed in a bush, which was kind of stressful, I'm not gonna lie. In hindsight, I didn't actually expect to swim there, so I would have probably put my bikini on under my clothes if I knew that was gonna happen, but I didn't. Took myself out for dinner, which is also something I've never done before. Like, I thought that maybe I would hate that and find it stressful or embarrassing. Literally didn't care. It's actually a great experience. I would recommend doing that as well. And then yesterday I met my friend for another walk to another Witcher location, to another cave, but it was at a quarry. It was the craziest cave I've ever been to. Really liked that. That was a really cool walk. And then took myself for another walk in the afternoon up to Easdale Tarn. Went for a little paddle, didn't swim. Kind of wish I did, but there were fish in there. Not that that's really a reason not to swim. Saw a lot of planes today. If you don't know the Lake District very well, the RAF train around here a lot, and I saw 2 Typhoons today. A Hawk T2, I think it was a T2, and 2 F-35s. Very, very pleased with that, honestly. They were very low. Sounded fucking incredible. I really like watching planes. Apologies for not really talking much through this whole video, but thought I would check in. Might get some more footage of like the rest of my trip. I go home tomorrow, so I'm not doing a crazy amount now, but if I do, you'll see it, and if not, thank you for watching.